Yes, I know, нравится is a tricky Russian word. Still, we have to use it, and we use it a lot. So get used to it and accept and learn how to use it. So I will help you with it right now. So first, what you have to remember about нравится is that нравится comes after dative, nouns and pronouns. So the structure is мне нравится, тебе нравится, ему, ей нравится, нам нравится, вам нравится, им нравится. Нравится is a reflexive verb, so it is used a bit tricky. Yeah, it's used a bit differently from, for example, English. So when I say I like the city, so it's clear. I is the subject, like is the verb, and the city is the object. But in Russian, everything is absolutely different. So first, when you start learning the structure, I recommend to use, to build the sentences backwards. So for example, city, город, нравится мне. So it sounds more logical, like the city is liked, let's say, by me or to me. And so the other example is журнал нравится ей. So ей, мне is always in dative. Город, журнал are always used as nominative case. So русский нравится нам. Russian, which is nominative, нравится нам. Нам is dative. So then a bit later, when you learn the structure and when you understand how it works, you can use it the other way around, like мне нравится город, ей нравится журнал. But that's not the end, like that's not the only use for today, but нравится. So нравится has different forms, so different conjugations. So actually they are я нравлюсь тебе, ты нравишься мне, он, она, оно нравится мне, мы нравимся тебе, вы нравитесь мне, они нравятся мне. So look, if you have noticed, so all the forms like вы, мы, они is related to the form of the verb itself. Like мы нравимся. Let's look closer at conjugation of нравится. So if I say ты нравишься мне, we take ты, which is you, that is the base. So we add the affix for you, sh and soft sign, and we add ся. So ся is not changed. So we have ты нравишься мне. So then this famous phrase нравится. So actually нравится is not the infinitive form. It's the form, the conjugation for он, она, оно. Она нравится, она нравится мне. So if we take мы нравимся мне, and the others. The other use is нравится can be perfective and imperfective, совершенный и несовершенный вид. My dear friends, do remember please that perfective is used only for past or future. It's not used for present. When we say present, we use the verb without any prefixes, like я нравлюсь, он нравится. If you say понравится, it sounds like the future. Он нравится мне. Он понравился мне. Он понравится мне. So in the past we use different affixes for masculine, feminine, neuter and plural. Он понравился мне. Она понравилась мне. Оно понравилось мне. Они понравились мне. Here are some sentences for translation for you to work, my dear friends, with нравится. So first write, so translate the sentences and check with me. My dear friends, I hope I explained everything clearly. I hope for that. Still, if you have some questions, please write me. So you can write me and ask me here on YouTube, or you can ask me on my Instagram. So ask me about material that you don't understand, and I will help you to cope with it. See you soon. Пока.